Adolfo Bill Asamoah Kasa, the darling Bill. Yeah, senior man, the chairman of Ghana Actors Association and I say our Guild Association on a president. Now the same be out to our ne Poleeno, it didn't come more Poleeno Multimedia so now. This interesting story. Or shall I see if you baby and omudu the peak. Meaning say question Poleeno Bisano, that was the main peak. That was the main peak of the interview. People have been talking about that. The question was about Dr. Likee offer, and that was a very controversial question. I will be saying, say, Papa J, any miracle films, interview be na miracle film, can simply say, Edrumre bi na Kumawood atofom na Dr. Likee ene pija no gina Bill Asamoah say Debbie. Kumawood never dies. Kumawood never died. Kumawood nwuda na ade enwu nso de obi mpagya ne da. Na before said Dr. Likee beba no na amanfo was system no and people are still working na. This is not right. And hon komuni yebedi. This is not right. This is not right. No. This is not right. Sometimes as you respect Emma people, the peace we are preaching, as you practice it. What I say, Mr. Bill, peace na you preaching no, as you practice it.
Let us not always be quick to overpraise. Okay. When you do that, you make the other people feel what? Okay. What are you talking about? No. Let me tell you something. You see, I am looking at it from this angle. Okay. Dr. Likee. Oh yeah, dear. Okay. But he's got other people. You know what I'm saying? Okay. He has a team. Yeah. Okay.
So beyond there front line.
What is front line? What is front line? It is a teamwork. It is teamwork, my brother.
Okay. Can it be say okay, Dr. Likee in the team and agyakoo with this?
It's not true. It is never true. Okay. What is he talking about? As in how? He's working, other people are working. When Likee and co were doing their thing, the likes of Messiah Siedu and Dems were equally shooting TV series as well. You understand? There were equally other production houses who were also working. Okay. And let me tell you something. There is no way an industry will die.
Like the film industry?
How can you say it's dying, it's dead? It's like, what do you mean when you say it's dead?
Say now you had the production like before and like, if I said 2020 coming in and
but productions were going on.
Yeah. But the likes of Likee more
pushy how they were doing their bit. Other people were also working. There are production houses in Accra who were equally working. What I say? What I'm trying to say is that if we have challenges as an industry,
it doesn't make it dead.
It doesn't make it dead. What is he saying? You see, that is how they talk. And Emma Obisu feel say, or no nadi Kumawood buy, and then or no anke Kumawood. How can you say that? We were working before he came into the industry or came into the system. Yeah. We supported each other. We were all worked. When you become the favorite of the masses, it doesn't mean that you are the single person who is holding everything.
Yeah, because we have DOPs, we have editors.
You understand what I'm saying? I don't think I may make a choice. In as much as I feel, there are other people who are supporting. And you because back for no ABC the entire industry ni gina wa omo maka no o yo mo den ubu omo nimti and I say o disregard omo effort. Masa obia na from 2000 and whatever omo nyina obia ye adwuma. Okay. Everybody has worked. So what I say? Yes, like I said, like Akabenezer, Likee, or whoever you call it, I call him Nene, because he has done well. He's done marvelously well. So what I say, he's upped his game. Yeah. And only the team, yes, almost side of the industry, there's kids and everything, and a lot of people are on YouTube are watching. A lot of people have equally joined them, and then you've got masses of people. Now, a lot of production houses are shooting series and dropping them on YouTube. All kind of Omomo echo YouTube. So what I say, yeah, don't say, but it doesn't mean say Omo ni wa industry negu. See, I'm saying this on the score, say the film industry back in the day, na yeton we see this. Okay. And the industry na CD market are diminishing because of terrestrial TV. Yeah. Then you have the CD player and an age one. Yeah. Terrestrial TV buy and as a digital TV buy, you know. A lot of the TV stations were selling TV digital boxes. Yeah. Like strong, like Adom boxes, multi-TV and all that. And some boxes need so no kota. And the 21 piece now they go one analog TV. And people were moving the VCD players away and then they were placing these ones there because Obenya multi-channels. Okay. And yeah, as filmmakers, no, yeah, also near some ton your movies no cheaply and some of these TV stations. And the TV stations no only content, no. Obe show movie.
Yeah.
Now movies now they are man no cheaply now oh you know. Now we saying akwaya for no abeton no say 10 cities, 20 cities no.
Or be free.
Or should be free over than what. What I say. And when the industry here they nose dive here a bad form. But it never meant to say industry now they a good
Okay.
people were working.
In good that.
Because when the microphone in say, Sadia when I experience and the pain.
Okay.
Oh, yes, pain. Back in the day, yeah, you money the good VHS so cassette.
Patrick Otomo.
Patrick Otomo. So that's it. And a Patrick Otomo fading out. If fading out my CD then e buy. Say an industry near then yeah. Because nipa be now they use Patrick Otomo. Until you free on a CD player buy and my human conform because I don't want any VCD players nibi. But when producers nibi at I don't know businessmen call China, I call for VCD players be buy and nipa be now so to Toby. And almost started somewhere then.
That is CD neighbor.
That is CD neighbor. So, but and CD player ni ho. Akoya say ya de code digital. Ya de code digital no. Ama and obi anso so no ya den. Bacho. Ama obi anso so ya den. Internet no so ya den. Hwe what is happening. So, intino what I would say is say in as much as I say CD etwem no. And ya digital. Interview am we. So we go CD so. Go to YouTube. And we would have to encourage people to go digital as well. No, because YouTube movies no be. And then tell me, when we are digital person, how many movies are released on YouTube in a day?
A lot.
What I'm trying to say. So what are we talking about?
Okay.
It tells you, sir, we just have moved from one era
To the other.
To the other. So I say, yeah. So that's it. The industry has never died. It's not dying. We just have to change our strategy. Because me know what I can say. Abruchi Moha. People still go to the cinemas.
Yeah.
People still buy Blu-ray. People still have you know what I'm saying.
IGH Connect TV. Wo ba no subscribe na wa comment. Wo ni bibia comment ya say and I say my fire no. This statement wasn't right. We appreciate your more effort. We all know it, like the guys are really working. Now, I say, say ye bo bi abaso and ye bo bi din enya wono nko but people are working around him. That's it. Ye bo Messi din 11 players or more work obi na bo assist no abahye by ye bo Messi din ye real okay. But I say if we are always praising only one character, what are we sending to the others? Recently, what was the award? It was about then like a juma wa ye any ye bo abaso into ye bo abaso omo makano say no mu feel bad. Say if ye vote ma what was best actor and what was legendary actor? It was 3G Media. 3G Media Awards and as it USA. Last year, what the best actor the whole of Africa. Inti eno obi nso ye actor nso tia ebe na ya na. Normal. Sometimes you don't have to strip people from their honor. We all know the worker Dr. Likee and any team na from COVID time. I can say medium necessary from Patrick Otomo eba CD. I say CD no kura muja etwa no. We all know say muja etwa eba social media so no. Why na ye consistent? Eno na ye ka. Why na ye consistent back to back from Monday to Sunday back to back. Yeah, enti say bi aka say Kumawood na anto from oya back to back na influence people, other actresses, other actors, ema omo ba back, ema omo be gina omo na so chai, actor producers, ema omo sa do musika ebe wrem abra no ma deda. That's what we are talking about here. Enti sa statement no shallow. Sorry to say, but shallow. The kind of people were backing you up, and people were also saying say it wasn't right, but let's call a spade. Saying and I no cry no miracle from and I can't ask them miracle from ye no cinema miracle from the Kansas. Oh, there was a point that Kumawood cry then eba from now with the help of Dr. Likee and I didn't the epijay. Now I say Kumawood Emma from by media na say media as a enipa na omo boa ma media no the medium baby a medium na koduru no enipa na omo boa epeja no those are the people are able mudin. That's what we are saying, you know. And this is the era ebe or patrikotum na se patrikotum asesa aba CD esesa ba CD no na mwatiada ba CD no eba CD no na obi asore se CD no me de ato makoma so anaze me boa ma sa era CD no apeja na se yeboni din a onka se onye hwe ba industry no obeto ye ni eye adwuma enti ono abeto ye no obaye no ni eye adwuma enti Kumawood never dies. No. We they were form cinema were form. We all know. And amount for tenefiache or more tenefiache. And directors na ye can producers. No say uti audio na uti video na obeka say people abra assistant free patrico tomba CD no amount for koi eco invest eco fa CD buy e de be adwuma. Fine. If we CD edi aba social media so mete hanam say metwa Kumawood movie I don't need directors. Me fa me phone na me create YouTube account met me atwa gum enti directors ni bebre no omo adwuma no omo atiada. This is the point we are making no. Omo atiada ena adwuma bebre na Kumawood ne wom no say light for cameras, directors, producers no sa lent ne eso atwa enti ama the kind of energy, the kind of money, the kind of time amount for investing no those people not tiada enti ekoye say for the love of the game when je ho say opese oye adwuma no una be stande anaso obi gina na ode aye. And these are the people omagina from COVID time 2018 2019 up to date that so ye adwuma. And we are praising them now cuz omunye like it's nothing like they are omunye bibia different na medium na asesa. No, this is not right. If we are wanting to protect the Kumawood and answer the so-called industry we are talking about, these are not the things I see in preaching. These are not the things. As we have to appreciate people. Oh my idea, but ebia and say be a focus ni na ko baby ba ko if say me say edumu ye adwuma me nim say matter sorry mo so ye adwuma since mo produce Emma TV stations. These are the things I say can, but kasa say na we see hatred. These are the things that some of us we me see we these are some of the things you because it's not easy. Ena obi wo te asem bi say ya omoye and you're a star, you want to be recognized. And issues like this, on our chairman, on our president, we as minim say I say Messi ni Ronaldo, Shatawale ni Stone Boy, say we fana no matter what, and I say the we be no. We jinanachi 24/7 when him say you bad no so jinanachi MPP ni and this sanity. But no hate. We are all doing this for the love of the game. You feel me? This is the issue. Dr. Likee Jumanum, say from COVID up to they are not resting. I won't die. They are still shooting. Let's give them the maximum respect, the maximum honor how we deserve it. This is not the time I better repay off amount for hard earned something and as a here's the case. We all know the people are Dr. Likee are influencing back to the Kumawood system. What do I say? The people are Dr. Likee are influencing back to the system. There are some actors we all know. Mr. Bill, you one can say unim. Omunyina who say Kumawood have fallen. No, not necessarily say kase Kumawood have fallen, but sending out can say a seasons if you particular to men about CD into a CD no the media and I say how ye final consumers ye be movies na hwene asesa into asesa free CD no what was the medium again into eno ena obi sana ye canon send your can was say let's leave this for the public court and I say or more wanting to justify what's going on. And see that's what people are saying instead of media necessary, you know. Why money jumano and I do point to be and I say you guys were there before Dr. Likee joined. Sanya Canada before agyakoo by no people were doing. Lewin by no people were doing and still Lewin yeah agyakoo more yeah. You feel me? Do maybe an agyakoo no kra no atiada ba ye nyina hu se wo bai okodi agh mu sa ne channel no obai ebe twa Lewin mu twa. But so because ya me nkura adwen mu no what I have to say is my dream no me hu se Kumawood ide egu obia ye ne de ba onka say Dr. Likee beto ye na still ye and we all know people like Dr. Likee influencing into the system and sometimes when we talk like this I say we are as a shallow blows near to my man for you feel me, but you are preaching peace. Sometimes you have to practice what we preach. And this the message Kojon Kansan Lewin a preachy. We all know it. Say on a catchery after or no era. Yanka so be a for me, yanka so be near Jumano, but sometimes we honor people. Say be if this what the mass we know, say adiwe abeye challenge baako ama kojo ene bra kojo ene Dr. Likee and we all know it. I GH Kana Macro.